Today I have come with a quick breakfast recipe that you can sometimes make if you are getting bored of your usual daily breakfast. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi, and today it's all about vermicelli, and that also Indian style. Now I bought this from my Indian grocery store. Just to let you know that this is not a sponsored video, but that I always use this brand whenever I buy vermicelli. It is made up of only semolina, and that's what I like about it. It comes in these two forms, either a plain unroasted one or a roasted one like this. But I prefer the roasted ones because it makes my life easy and we can save that time to roast them. As simple as that. We need 1 cup of vermicelli. Pan on medium heat. I added about 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Ghee is totally optional, but I love using my homemade ghee. Once the oil turns hot, lower the heat to low and add peanuts. Again, peanuts are totally optional, but my family loves the flavor of nuts in this. Once the peanuts turn golden in color, add mustard seeds. Then cumin seeds and some curry leaves. Now guys, don't think you cannot make this recipe without curry leaves. Yes, definitely you can, but if you get curry leaves, then please do add it. Stir for a few seconds and then add chopped onions. Fry the onions on medium heat for about 2 minutes and then add chopped ginger. You can even use finely grated ginger. I love adding some chopped green chilies, but you can leave them out if you do not want that chili heat. Next comes the veggies. I have used frozen vegetables. When I am seeking for something quick and easy, then I always reach out for those frozen veggies. I added a sprinkle of salt and fried the veggies over medium-high heat for a few minutes. Then cover on and keep it on medium-high heat for 3 minutes. 3 minutes done. Next, I like adding little bit of curry powder. Again, curry powder is totally optional, but some of you know how I love to spice up whatever I make, except desserts of course. Now add the roasted vermicelli. Stir everything on medium heat for about 2 minutes and then in goes a cup and a half of hot water. I had taken 1 cup of vermicelli, and many recipes will tell you to add double the quantity of water compared to the amount of vermicelli taken. But according to me, that makes them too soggy, and I personally dislike it. I like that little bit of chewy texture, but you can add double the quantity of water. It all depends on your taste and the texture that you want. Add salt. Once it comes up to a boil, cover it on low heat for 6 minutes. In between, uncover to check whether the water has dried up or not. After 6 minutes, you will see the water has all disappeared and the vermicelli has swelled up. Adding the right amount of water haven't made it soggy at all, and all the strands are separate. Next in line are the coriander leaves. Then a sprinkle of lemon juice for that freshness, and just a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Now switch off your stove, cover on, and let it sit for 5 more minutes before serving. This stays good in the refrigerator for 2 days. Just warm it up before serving and breakfast is all ready. How simple can that be? You can even make this for lunch boxes. My husband likes it with a fried egg on top, but I like it just like this. Please smash that like button and help this video reach out to more people. And do leave a comment as I love reading them. Bye bye.